If you are interested in lucrative opportunities to bolster your income through different realms of the internet, then you are in the right place, because right in this video, I'll be showing you exactly different means that you can start making money through PayPal. Different opportunities out there that are meant for you. We'll be diving into different kind of meticulously crafted step-by-step tutorial on how you can start making money online through PayPal and through other means also. We are talking about freelancing, dropshipping, and some other amazing ways you can start making money online. But before we dive into it, all you need to do right now is to ensure that you watch every step of this video, because missing step 1 might make you not to watch step 2 or step 3, or you might not even understand everything I've been saying, because every step of the way requires the other step. So you have to stay put and watch every aspect of this video. Especially my bonus tip for you in this video is very, very essential in every walk of life that you want to do on the internet. So without wasting much of our time, come on, let's dive in. Our journey begins with freelancing, a dynamic way for you to actually leverage your skill and start making a lot of money on the internet. In today's interconnected world, freelancers can actually make a lot of money through Upwork or Fiverr. By lending their skills, you can actually be doing anything you know how to do, from being a programmer to a graphic designer to anything you can do at all. Even if all you know how to do is to just sing happy birthday to someone on the internet, someone will get paid for that, and that is you. This platform serves as global marketplace, facilitating connection between people that actually need a service and people that can offer the service, meeting in one place and actually serving each other purpose. So what are you waiting for? All you have to do is to get down there and actually come up with this skill that you know how to do, probably something you have been doing for free. The sweeter part of this platform is that no matter whatever you know how to do, you can actually do it on the internet. And no matter your background, whether you're an African, American, European, Asian, whatever you do, you can actually join the platform and start doing whatever you know how to do. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and Freelancer.com can actually allow you to build a profile and also some kind of portfolio for yourself, and before you know it, clients will start seeing your old work, your new work, and probably some of the things that you've been thinking of doing in the future. You can actually put them right in your profile. Even if you want to get hired off Upwork, Fiverr.com or Freelancers.com, then you can actually provide your profile right on Fiverr, send it to your clients, and they will definitely see all the things you've done before. This is how beautiful it is. As you grow your portfolio, ensure that you maintain a good relationship with your clients so that they can actually give you good review, because good review can actually bring in more clients, and more clients give you more money, and as you get more money, your revenue is increasing every day. You get paid through paper. And the beautiful part of this strategy is its flexibility. The fact that there's no boss to actually boss you around, nobody to tell you when to start and when to stop. Nobody to actually tell you this is how much I'm going to pay you, and you have no choice. Nobody's gonna tell you that because you didn't greet him good morning, he's not gonna pay your salary. This is just a very flexible something that you can actually do. You are your own boss. This is the true definition of you being your own boss. So get down to it. It's important to approach freelancing with dedication and professionalism. This has to do with your consistency also, because when you are consistent in logging in, always stay online, and also ensure that you send out requests to anyone that actually need a service about anything that you can actually offer. This makes it more beautiful whenever you are doing anything that has to do with freelancing, because it shows the client that you are serious and you are ready to get the job done. Also ensure that you are actually on time. When you promise a client that a particular gig is going to be for 24 hours, let it be 24 hours. When a gig is 48 hours, let it be 48 hours. It will make your clients to trust you more, introduce you to more clients, and also boosting your revenue in the long run and the short run. Our next approach ensures that you make money through another means to paper. And what am I talking about? Online surveys. Have you even heard about it? Well, if you don't know about it, I'm going to break it down to you right in this video. Companies highly value the consumers that can actually come back to tell them that this is exactly how your product works. This is exactly what people are saying about your product and services. This makes them to upgrade their service and do more better next time. So as a result of this, companies actually hire some websites to actually be paying different kind of people so that the people can actually give them surveys about the particular product they've used or that they have not used before. This makes the company to know exactly where they are in the society. This is where you come in, because once that website actually put out the survey, you are there to cash out by actually giving your honest opinion. The process is very straightforward. All you have to do is to sign up, and once you sign up, you get access to tons of surveys about different companies, products, and also some other things that has to do with international geography. And this makes you to actually give your opinion and insight about all of these. And by the end of the day, you get paid through your PayPal account. This gives you more money because the more survey you fill in, the more money you make. Just like we have some online surveys that actually offer straightforward path to earning, we also have some that are actually there to scam people by wasting their time and making them spend a lot of time and data on filling out survey and also filling out some other information about themselves. Whenever you want to pick a survey website, ensure that you make diligent research and know much about that website before you get into it. I've actually made a video about different survey websites that are ready to pay you, and the video just sliding above. Ensure you click on it. I will also be dropping the link right in the description below and the pinned comment below. Make sure you check it out. You are not prepared for our next on the list. What is that? Affiliate marketing. This introduces a unique way to start earning through PayPal. In the realm of affiliate marketing, you take the role of a brand ambassador by promoting products and services, and by the end of the day, earning a lot of commission, and you can get paid through PayPal. We have physical product and digital products, and we also have many other kind of affiliate marketing that has to do with services and some other things too. The world of affiliate marketing boasts multitude of opportunities. This has to do with Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, and some other things. Even in Nigeria here, we have Expertnet. So this makes it beautiful for you to actually have different ways you can actually join affiliate marketing and start making a lot of money. There are many products out there for you to start selling. There's nothing holding you back because you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must master the art of promotion and also advertisement. This has to do with you actually creating a blog post or also creating a YouTube video and start talking about things that can actually help your audience. When people see you as the Alpha and Omega or the Messiah that they've been looking for that can actually help whatever they need, then they will start trusting you, and before you know it, whatever you push to them, they will definitely buy, and this will actually boost your revenue, and before you know it, you're making a lot of money. When it comes to time to start receiving your earning, all you have to do is to actually link your PayPal account to your affiliate account, and you start making a lot of money by receiving seamless cash out through PayPal. Our next target actually dive deeper into the realm of e-commerce. What am I talking about? Dropshipping. Dropshipping offers a unique approach to online business. This has to do with you setting up your online store without you having any inventory at all. This might sound so weird to you because you might be wondering, how is it possible for someone not to keep inventory of any product he's selling? Well, that's exactly what dropshipping is. Whenever you see a product you are interested in and the actual seller is actually offering a program like dropshipping, then all you have to do is to get the picture or the video of the product and start posting it. You can post it on your Instagram, your WhatsApp, or any of your social media or your website itself. And whenever there's a customer who actually order for it, all you have to do is to send the customer name, address, and phone number to the actual seller of the product, and they will definitely handle all the shipping for you without you leaving your room. The beauty of dropshipping actually lies in the accessibility of it, because when you are in Nigeria, you can actually dropship a product in China, you can dropship a product in America, Canada, or any other part of the world at all. As far as there's a dropshipping program going on anywhere in the world and you got the picture and you actually have where you can actually sell it or promote it, then off you go. Even if your customer is not in the same country where you are, or the customer is not in the same country where the actual seller is, as far as the actual seller can actually ship the product to the customer, whichever country the customer is, then the sky is your limit. PayPal play a vital role in the success of dropshipping. This has to do with the easy and seamless cash out policy and also some kind of things like the buyer protection policy, which allows your buyers to have more confidence in actually doing more business with you. So you have nothing to lose. You can also tell your buyers that they have nothing to lose, because this actually shows the fact that you are not a scammer. To embark on your dropshipping journey, all you need is to pick a niche, look for a supplier, and also set up a store online. This is very important. And if you want to set up a store, you can actually make use of WooCommerce or Shopify and can actually request the service of a freelancer. So that's how beautiful it is. And once you set up everything, get the picture of the good from the supplier or the video and some other details of the good and start posting it on your store. And that's how beautiful it is. You can actually promote it throughout the world to any part of the world, as far as your supplier can actually supply them over there. Effective marketing and customer service are very crucial in every form of dropshipping you want to do, because this has to do with your social media advertisement, your SEO, which is search engine optimization, optimization, and also some other kind of customer related issues that you have to know how to handle. I'll be dropping a link to one of my videos in the description where I actually explain everything you need to know about dealing with customers, and even if a customer is no longer interested in buying from you, how you can actually deal with that customer. The video link is right in the description below. Ensure you click on it after watching this video. Effective marketing and customer service is the bedrock of every form of dropshipping. All you have to do is to get started with social media advertising, search engine optimization, email marketing, and some other things that can actually attract customers to your store. You have nothing to lose. All you have to do is to ensure that you promote to the right audience. When you get them, you send their details to the supplier, and the supplier handles the delivery for you. So ensure you maintain a good customer relationship. Our final strategy invites you to share your expertise with global audience through online teaching. If you possess a particular skill or knowledge that others are aspiring to acquire, then all you can do is to just create a course about this. You can actually market this course through Udemy, Teachable, or even Skillshare. You can also do this by building a website for yourself and actually offering this course at a good amount of money. You can get paid through PayPal for this also. And another beautiful thing about this is that you can actually promote your courses on YouTube by creating a minimal part of that course as a YouTube video and making people to trust you so that you can buy more of that course. Whether you are proficient in playing music, fluent in a particular language, or you know how to code, or there's something you know how to do that someone out there doesn't know how to do, then there's something for everyone. You can actually go out there, let people know that you know how to do this thing, and actually teach it out. You can even go as far as teaching people your local language. There are people out there who are willing to know more about the world. Creating and selling online courses will give you more opportunity to tap into the growing demand of online training. There are many people out there who can't leave their comfort zone, but whenever they see an online course, they would actually like to dive into it. So this is something that you can actually tap into. Since 2020, during COVID-19 lockdown, many people have actually learned how to go for online training, and this has actually publicized the idea of online training. So this is something you can dive into. You have nothing to lose, so go for it. To begin, you will need to identify your niche, specify the topic you actually want to start taking people. Then the next thing you need to do is to start creating the courses. You can create it in form of an ebook, a video, an audiobook, and any other format you know how to create any course at all. And the next thing is to start promoting it on Udemy or any other online platform where people actually learn a lot of things. Then you start making a lot of money. When your courses are live, interested learners can actually come to learn for a certain fee that you have actually agreed to put over there. And the next thing is for you to start getting paid, and which means is the most seamless mean for you to start getting paid: PayPal. By diligently implementing everything I've said to you in this video, you are on your path to start generating tons of income through PayPal. Remember that success in each of these avenues requires dedication, continuous learning, and decisive action. As you navigate through the world of freelancing, online survey, digital marketing, dropshipping, and some other things I mentioned in this video, then you realize that there's limitless potential to the amount you can start making online. Now I've actually made a video specifically for you on how you can start making money through online service, and there's a step-by-step tutorial and guideline on how you can sign up for each website. The video just pop up on the screen. Ensure you click on it. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and click the like button. Whatever you do, never stop making money.